Now we are going to learn about whole numbers up to 10 million, the place value, how to write the numbers in words and in numerals, how to round off the number, how to multiply and how to divide with or without remainder, and also about the word problems. Now we are going to learn about whole numbers up to 10 million. What's this topic about? Whole numbers start from 0 and include every single positive number that doesn't involve fractions or decimal. So the whole numbers here, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Here is the place value table. As you can see here from the right side, there is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. So for example, if I write over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're gonna read this number as 1,234,567. So 7 is in the ones place. How about the digit 1? The digit 1 is in the millions place. This is how to write the number in words. For example, this is 5, 15, 20-5, 125, 3,000, 120-5. Okay, so don't forget here you have to place a comma after every third digit. Yeah, so for example, over here I write it 4, 1, 2, 3. How to read the number 4,000, 120-3. Next here, 40-3,000, 120-5. 640-3,000, 120-5. 7,000,000, 640-3,000, 120-5. Over here, there is a place value table and then how to write in numerals. For example, using the 7-digit numbers 7, 5, 3, 4, 9, 2, 6. And then as you can see here, so 7. 7 is in the millions place. So we will read it as 7 million, 530-4,000, 920-6. The number 7,534,926, it has 7 millions, 500,000s, 3 10,000s, 4 thousands, 900s, 2 tens, and 6 ones. And also you can write the number in expanded form. So 7 million plus 500,000 plus 300,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 6. Now here, how to write in numerals. 7, 5, 3, 4, 9, 2, 6. First, you must identify the place value of each digit. So 7 is in the millions place. 5 is in the 100,000s place. 3 in the 10,000s place. 4 in the thousands place. 9 in the hundreds place. 2 in the tens place. And 6 in the ones place. So now how to read the number 7 million, 530, that's 4,000, 926. So don't forget to place a comma after every third digit. Next here, the digit 7 stands for 7 million. The digit 5 stands for 500,000. In 8,902,675, the digit 8 is in the millions place, while the digit 8 stands for 8 million. Now let's try. How about the digit 9? The digit 9 is in the hundred thousands place. The digit 9 stands for 900,000. How about the digit 0? The digit 0 is in the 10,000s place. The digit 0 stands for 0. How about the digit 7? The digit 7 is in the tens place. The digit 7 stands for 70. How to write in numerals? So as you can see here, the first question is 715,239. So you must identify the digits. So for example here, 7. 715,000. So 7 is in the hundred thousands place. 15. Next 200. 2 is in the hundreds place. And 39. So we will write it as 7. 15239. Next, 1,258,043. So over here, 43 means there is no hundreds. So 0, 4, 3. 7,002,000. 2,000 is over here. So that means there is no 10,000s, there is no 100,000. So we have to write it as 0. 605. 605 means there is no tens. So we will write it as 605. 5,308,197. How to write in words? 7, 0, 0, 5, 6, 0, 0. So we will read it as 7,005,600. Now question number 2. 9,430,000. 2,350,760,8. 4,150,3,008. 5,380,000, 170. General rule for rounding. What is rounding? Rounding means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. The result is less accurate but easier to use. For example, 73 rounded to the nearest 10 is 70. Why? Because 73 is closer to 70 than 80. How about 76? 76 goes up to 80. Why? Because 76 is closer to 80 than 70. Now here, if the number you are rounding is less than 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, round the number down. But if the number you are rounding is 5 or more, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, round the number up. For example, round 74 to the nearest 10. This is 1's place, this is 10's place. So we want to keep 7. Why? Because 7 is in the 10th position. The next digit is 4, which is less than 5. So no change needed to 7. So 74 gets rounded down into 70. Round 86 to the nearest 10. We want to keep the 8. The next digit is 6, which is more than 5. So increase the digit 8 by 1 to 9. So 86 gets rounded up into 90. So remember, when the first digit removed is 5 or more, increase the last digit remaining by 1. Another example, 87. Round 87 to the nearest 10 equals to 90. How about 548? Round the number to the nearest 10. So equals to 550. Round 767 to the nearest 100. So we have to check what digit is in the hundreds place, the digit 7. And then the next digit is 6. So we have to round up. So 7 plus 1 equals to 8. 800. Round 8048 to the nearest 1000. 8 is in the thousands place. The next digit is 0. So we have to round down. So it means no change needed to 8. 8,000. Round 156,721 to the nearest 10,000 is 160,000. Round 1,890,213 to the nearest 100,000. So let's check here. 8 is in the 100,000s place. So the next digit is 9. So we have to round up. So the answer is 2,900,000. Why does 5 goes up? 5 is in the middle, so we could go up or down. But we need a method that everyone agrees to. So here, think about sport. We should have the same number of players on each team, right? So now here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are on team down, while 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are on the team up. Let's move on to this question. Estimate the value of 6,582 times 4. So 6,582 to the nearest 1,000 is 7,000 times 4. So equals to 28,000. Next, estimate the value of 623 times 57. So now here, 623 to the nearest hundred is 600. You have to round down. While 57, you have to round up. So 57 rounds to 60. So the answer equals to 36,000. Divide the 4-digit numbers without remainder. Find 2,247 divided by 7. So this one is the dividend while 7 is the divisor. So I'll show you using the long division. So 2,247 divided by 7. So over here, 22 divided by 7 is 3, 21. So 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Drop down the digit 4. 14 divided by 7 equals to 2. 2 times 7 equals to 14. Then you drop down the digit 7. 7 divided by 7 equals to 1. So the answer equals to 321. Dividing 4-digit numbers by a 1-digit number with remainder. So for example, 1,946 divided by 8. 6 is in the ones place, 4 is in the tens place, 9 is in the hundreds place, while 1 is in the thousands place. So now over here, divide the hundreds. 19 hundredths divided by 8 equals to 200. With remainder, 3 hundredths. Then bring down 4 tenths. 34 tenths divided by 8 equals to 4 tenths. With remainder, 2 tenths. Then bring down 6 ones. 26 ones divided by 8 equals to 3 ones. With remainder, 2 ones. Dividing 4-digit numbers with remainder. 2,416 divided by 6. So 2 divided by 6 cannot. 24 divided by 6 equals to 4. 6 times 4 equals to 24. 24 minus 24 equals to 0. Then after that, drop the digit 1. 1 divided by 6 cannot. So that's why you have to drop the digit 6 from the dividend. Because you are dropping 2 digits from the dividend, so place a 0 in the quotient. Next, 16 divided by 6 equals to 2. 6 times 2 equals to 12. 16 minus 12 equals to 4. 4 divided by 6 cannot. So that's why you have to add the zeros here, a 0 here. And after that, place a comma. And after that, 40 divided by 6 equals to 6, 36. 40 minus 36 equals to 4. Add 0 again. 40 divided by 6 equals to 6. 6 times 6 equals to 36. Again, 40 minus 36 equals to 4. 40 divided by 6 equals to 6, 36, and so on. The answer here is a recurring decimal, which also called as a repeating decimal. 402.6666. So this is a recurring decimal or a repeating decimal. It's a decimal that has a digit that repeat over and over again without ever ending. Estimating quotients. Estimate the value of 6,582 divided by 4. So 6,582 to the nearest thousand is 7,000 divided by 4 is 1,750. Estimate the value of 623 divided by 57. So 623 to the nearest hundred is 600. Then 57 to the nearest 10 is 60. So 600 divided by 60 equals to 10. Find the product of 718. So that means 700 times 18. 7 times 18 equals to 126. And then place the two zeros here. So the answer equals to 12,600. 634 times 2,000. 634 times 2 equals to 1,268. Then place the triple zeros here. So the answer is 1,268,000. 92,000 divided by 4,000. You may cancel the triple zeros there. So 92 divided by 4 equals to 23. 534,000 divided by 200. You may cancel these two zeros on the right side to the left side. So 534 divided by 2 equals to 267. And then place the zeros here. 92,000 divided by 4,000. You may use the cancellation method. Cancel the three zeros on the right side to the left side. So 92 divided by 4 equals to 23. 534,000 divided by 200. Again, you may use the cancellation method. Cancel the two zeros from the right side to the two zeros on the left side. So 534 divided by 2 equals to 267. And then place a zero here. So the answer is 2,670. Operation of whole numbers involving word problems. Mandy has 3,560 bits. She sold 1,020 bits and packed the remaining bits into 4 bags. How many bits were there in each bag? So you may use the bar modeling here. So the total is 3,560. Then she sold 1,020 bits. Then she packed the remaining bits into 4 bags. Then how to solve the problem? So you have to subtract 1,020 from 3,560. Then divide the answer by 4. So 2,540 divided by 4 equals to 635. A fruit seller ordered 48 cartons of pears. There were 36 pears in each carton. He unpacked and repacked them into bags of 5 pears each. How many pears remained unpacked? So to solve the question here is you have to find out the total. If there are 48 cartons of pears and then there were 36 pears in each carton, so you have to find the total pears. So 48 times 36 equals to 1,728 pears. Then he unpacked and repacked them into bags of 5 pears each. So after that, 1,728 divided by 5. I'll show you the long division. So 1728 divided by 5. 3, 15, 22, 4, 20, 28 divided by 5 equals to 525. Remainder 3. So the question is, how many pairs remained unpacked? So the answer is 345, remainder 3. So that's why 3 pairs remained unpacked.
There are 2,229 Chinese books in the library. There are twice as many English books as Chinese books and 3 times as many Chinese books as Malay books. How many more English books than Malay books are there in the library? So over here, there are 3 types of books: English, Chinese, and the Malay books. And then you may draw the bar modeling here. So first, we compare between Chinese books to the English books. So English books equals to 2 units. While the Chinese book is just 1 unit. Another information, the ratio between Chinese books to Malay books. Chinese books equals to 3 units, while the Malay book is just 1 unit. So means the Chinese books is 3 units, so we have to cut it into 3 equal parts, while the Malay book is just 1 unit. And if there are 2,229 Chinese books, how many more English books than Malay books are there? So over here, the Chinese books equals to 3 units. If 3 units equals to 2,229, how to get 1 unit? To get 1 unit is 2,229 divided by 3. Equals to 743. Then we have to compare between Malay to the English books. Don't forget, you have to cut each unit in the English book into 3 equal parts. So there are 6 units here in the English books. So now we find out the difference between English books to the Malay books. So 6 minus 1 equals to 5 units. If 1 unit equals to 743, how about 5 units? So 5 times 743 equals to 3,715. So there are 3,715 more English than Malay books in the library. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.